Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to start chapter test from the chapter trigonometrical ratio of standard angles from your book ML Agarwal. So here problem number 1. Find the values of here 1 it's sine square 60 minus cos square 45 plus 3 tan square 30 degree. Okay. So to solve these problems, you have to know the value of each and every standard angles. So here first one is sine 60. So sine 60 here it's root 3 by 2. Okay. So root 3 by 2 whole square, as here sine square. So root 3 by 2 whole square. Next cos 45, that is here 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay. Plus 3. Now tan square 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole square. So that one equal to here 3 by 4. Here 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. 3 cancel out. So here 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 3 by 4 here plus half, because 1 minus 1 by 2, that one equal to plus 1 by 2. So here 4 LCM, 3 plus here 2, that means 5 by 4 is your answer. So hello guys, I just want to inform you that in my channel there was a video how to remember the standard angles value by your finger or with your finger. It's a tricky video, so you can check it in the description. The link will be there. Okay. So here the next one, number 2. So here in number 2, that one is 2 cos square. Okay, 2 cos square 45 degree plus here 3 tan square 30 degree and whole divided by here root 3 cos 30 plus sine 30. Okay, so as here 2 cos square 45, so 2 into cos 45 means 1 by root 2, so whole square means half. Then next here 3 into tan square 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. Whole square means 1 by 3. As here root 3 into cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Okay, so write down here root 3 by 2. Then here sine 30. Sine 30 means half. Okay, so here 2 cancel out. Here 3 cancel out. So in numerator 1 plus 1. That will be here 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So here it's 2 and that one equal to here it's 4 by 2. Okay, so 2 cancel out this one. Now 2 by 2, that equal to 1. So 1 is your answer. Now the next one, sum number 3. In sum number 3 here, sec 30 tan 60. Okay, then plus sine 45, then cosec 45. Now next one here, cos 30 and cot 60. Okay, so as here sec 30, so value of sec 30 opposite of cos 30, that means here you can write down 2 by root 3. Okay, sec 30. Now tan 60 means only root 3 plus sine 45 1 by root 2. Here cosec 45 root 2 only. Next here cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and here cot 60. Okay, cot 60 equal to 1 by root 3. So root 3 cancel out, root 2 cancel out, root 3 cancel out. So first one 2, second one 1, and third one 1 by 2. So it becomes here 3 plus 1 by 2. That means here it's 6 and 7. So 7 by 2. Okay, you can also convert it into a mixed fraction. Now next one, sum number 2. In sum number 2, taking capital A equal to 30 degree. Okay, verify that here the first one you have to verify cos to the power 4a minus sine to the power 4a, that one equal to here cos 2a. You have to verify this one. That means left hand side is equal to with right hand side. So as here cos to the power 4 30 degree minus here sine to the power 4 30 degree. You can put down the value directly here, or you can also apply the formula of a square minus b square. Okay, so as here cos to the power 430. So do one thing here. Here you can apply the formula, that is here cos square 30 plus sin square 30, then multiply with here cos square 30 minus sin square 30. Okay, because cos to the power 4 means cos square 30 then whole square. So first one will be cos square 30 whole square, and second one will be sin square 30 whole square. That means a square minus b square formula. So a plus b into a minus b. Now here the first one, that means this portion equal to 1, because you know the formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that one equal to 1. Here the formula. So first one will be 1, and here cos square 30. Now cos 30 means root 3 by 2, so square means 3 by 4. Okay, then minus sin square 30, that means 1 by 4. So here 4 is the LCM, so 3 minus 1, that means 2 by 4, and that one equal to here half. Now here cos 2a, cos 2a means cos 2 into 30 degree, that means here cos 60 degree. Okay, and cos 60 equal to half. So LHS is equal to RHS. It's proved or verified. Now number 2, in number 2 you have 4 cos a, then here cos 60 minus a. Okay, then here cos 60 plus a, that one equal to, you have to prove that cos 3a. So as here a equal to 30 degree, so first one here cos 30, second one here cos 60 minus 30, that one equal to also 30, and third one here 60 plus 30, that one equal to here 90. So as here 4 into cos 30. Cos 30 means you know that root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. Again here root 3 by 2, and cos 90, that one equal to 0. Okay, cos 90 equal to 0. That means the whole answer is equal to 0. And as here cos 3a, 3 into 30, that means again 90 degree. So that one equal to 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It's verified. Now sum number 3. In sum number 3, if A equal to here 45 degree and B equal to here 30 degree, okay, then verify here in the left hand side sin A divided by here cos A plus sin A sin B, that one is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so sin A means here sin 45. So write down here sin 45 degree. Cos A means here cos 45. Then sin A means again sin 45 into sin B. That means sin 30. Okay, so value of sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 half. Okay, so here in numerator you have 1 by root 2. Here the LCM is 2 root 2. So it means here 2 plus 1. Okay, then here root 2 cancel out. So it will be here 2 by 3, and it's proved. Next, sum number 4. In sum number 4, taking A equal to here 60 degree, B equal to here 30 degree. Okay, here first one verify that sin A plus B divided by here cos A, then here cos B. Okay, that one equal to here tan A plus tan B. You have to verify this one. So as here sin A plus B, that means 60 plus 30, so that one equal to here sin 90 degree. Now cos A means cos 60 and cos B means cos 30. So sin 90 is equal to here 1, cos 60. Okay, cos 60 equal to half, you know that, and cos 30 equal to here root 3 by 2. So that means here 4 by root 3. Okay, 4 by root 3. Here tan A means 1 by root 3, and sorry, tan A means tan 60. Okay, sorry, tan 60 is equal to root 3 only, and here tan B means tan 30, that means 1 by root 3. So here root 3 is the LCM. Here root 3 into root 3, 3 plus 1, that means 4 by root 3. So it's verified. Now next one, sum number 4(2). So for sum number 4(2), here also A equal to 60, B equal to 30. That means here sin here A minus B and then divided by here sine A, then sine B. Okay, you have to prove that that one equal to cot B minus cot A. So as here A equal to 60, B equal to 30. So A minus B means 60 minus 30, and that one equal to here sine 30. Now next sine A. So that means here sine 60 and sine B, that means sine 30. Here cot B means here cot 30, and cot A it's cot 60. Okay. So as here sine 30 cancel out. Here 1 by sine 60. Sine 60 means here root 3 by 2. You can write down 2 here. So 2 by root 3. Here cot 30. Okay, so cot 30 means root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So that means here 3 minus 1 by root 3. So it's 2 by root 3, and it's proved. Now next sum number 5. Here in sum number 5, if root 2 here tan 2 theta, that one equal to here root 6. Here 0 degree less than 2 theta less than 90 degree. Okay, find the value of here sine theta plus root 3 cos theta, and last one here minus 2 tan square theta. So that means first you have to find out the value of theta here. So tan 2 theta equal to root 6 by root 2. Okay, so that one equal to here root 3. Now as here root 3 and here theta belongs to 0 to 90 degree, so that means here root 3 means you can write down here tan 60 degree. So by comparing both sides, 2 theta equal to 60 degree. So theta equal to here 30 degree. So as theta equal to 30, now here sine theta, that means sine 30. Sine 30 means half. Then root 3 cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Okay, and then here tan square theta, that means tan 30 whole square. So tan 30 means 1 by root 3. So whole square means 1 by 3. So here half, then here root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2, here 2 by 3. So LCM is 6, and that one equal to here 3, 9, and here 3, 2, so 4. So here 3 plus 5 by 6, that one equal to here 8 by 6. So here it's 4 by 3. Okay, so 4 by 3 is your answer. Now sum number 6. Here in sum number 6, if 3 theta, okay, 3 theta is an acute angle, solve the following equation for theta. So as here cosec 3 theta minus 2 in bracket, then here cot 2 theta, okay, cot 2 theta minus 1, that one equal to here 0. Okay, so as here the multiplication of two number, the first one and the second one, multiplication of two number is 0. That means here either you can write down cosec 3 theta minus 2 equal to 0, or you can write down cot 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0. So that means here cosec 3 theta equal to 2, or here you can write down cot 2 theta equal to 1. So as here cosec 3 theta equal to 2, and here you know that cosec 30 degree, that one equal to also 2. So write down here cosec 30 degree. Then by comparing both sides, 3 theta equal to 30, that means theta equal to here 10 degree. As here cot 2 theta equal to 1, and you know that cot 45 degree equal to 1. So in the place of 1, write down cot 45, that means 2 theta equal to 45 degree. So theta equal to here 22 whole 1 by 2 degree. That means here theta equal to either 10 degree or theta equal to here 22 whole 1 by 2 degree. That is your answer. Okay, now sum number 7. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in sum number 7, if tan A plus B, okay, here tan A plus B, that one equal to root 3, and here tan A minus B, that one equal to here 1. Then A and B are acute angle, find the value of A plus B. So it's very easy. As here tan A plus B, now in the place of root 3, you can write down this one as tan 60 degree. And here tan A minus B, in the place of 1, you can write down tan 45 degree. Okay, so that means by comparing both sides, a plus b equal to here 60 degree, and here a minus b, that one equal to here 45 degree. So bb cancel out, 2a equal to here 105 degree. That means a equal to here half of 105, so it's 52 whole 1 by 2 degree. Okay, 52 whole 1 by 2 degree. So as here a equal to 52 whole this one, so you can easily find out the value of b. So here b equal to 60 degree minus here 105 by 2, that means here 120 minus 105 by 2, so that is equal to here 15 by 2, that means 7 whole 1 by 2 degree. Okay, a equal to 52 whole 1 by 2 and b equal to 7 whole 1 by 2 degree as your answer.